Yo, what's going on, world? It's your boy 91 Twist here. I have another video for you guys today, and you know what it is? It's a lizard balloon build for you guys. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I love building lizard balloons. I love lizards. They're actually one of my favorite animals. Now, it does take me a while to pick up a lizard, but I will pick that bad boy up and I will hold it as long as it will let me hold it. But you guys, another easy one, real fun, real simple, you guys. And you know I'm here to show you how to get it done, so don't even trip. If you're confused, I got you. It looks complicated, but it's really not. This is actually another good hit at birthday parties, because you can actually do this on the wrist and the arm, you know, and I like to show it off a little bit. So let me show you guys how it's done, you feel me? Welcome to the 91 Twist Show again, you guys. Don't forget to like and follow and subscribe to your boy's stuff, okay? You guys, let's do it. Yo, welcome back, you guys. Now, you guys ready to get into this balloon action? Because I hope you are, because I'm excited about it. I love this design so much. So I hope you guys are excited about it, and I hope you guys are ready to do it, because it's not going to take you a long time to build this build. And especially with me on your side, because I'm going to take you every step of the way to learn how to build it. That's what I do. That's why I'm here for you. I'm here to show you how to do certain balloons and simple balloons. And then I'm also here to show some of you guys how to do the really cool stuff when the time comes. But when that time comes, you know I'm gonna let you know. All right, so let's do this balloon thing, right? Let's do it. Welcome, you guys. All right. So before we start building the balloon, you guys, I need you guys to do one thing for me. I need you guys to actually subscribe to this if you can. And I also would like you to like it, because that gets me pumped up and it gets me excited to keep doing these things for you. And I want to keep doing these things for you. Now, I'm not saying that if you don't do it or not, I won't stop doing it. I'm going to keep doing it regardless. But I want to keep doing this more, and I want to do it full time. So if it lets me and it's God's work, you know, I'll be doing this full time. But in the meantime, I'm going to keep doing little videos for you when I can, and I'm going to keep showing you guys my talent, and I hope you guys enjoy what I put out. If you guys like what I put out, put it in the comments and let me know what you want to see. Just let me know how I'm doing, you know. I think I'm not doing a bad job, but that's for another video, right? So, to build our lizard, you guys, it don't matter what color we use, because lizards could be any kind of color, so it don't matter what color you use. But today, we are going to use 3 160 balloons and 1 260 balloon, okay? And I'm gonna show you why we're gonna use one big one instead of a big one for these, okay? Let's get started. Let's do this, okay? First thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna take our 160 here, and we're gonna take our little pump, and we're gonna blow this bad boy up, okay? For the 160, you gotta use a little bit of air. So I like to say, that's about 5. It's about 5 finger of tail left on these balloons. Now, with the 160s, they are way more flexible, and sometimes they can take a little while to hold the twist. But it doesn't matter anyway. So when you get them to hold the twist, these things look really nice. Like, I mean, you can do so much detail with the little 160 balloons, and these are good for like babies and toddlers too. So, and for people who don't like the balloon popping noise that much, so a little balloon is always perfect. But we're gonna build them out of this, okay? So first thing we're gonna do here, we're gonna take our end and we're gonna make a pinch twist. I would say 2-finger bubble, okay? This is gonna be kind of where the jaw's gonna be at, okay? We're gonna make a pinch twist, twist that bad boy here. And let me see, lock it in there. Once it locks in, it'll be good, I promise you. I'm having a hard time locking it in. Okay, lock it in, and then probably let's just say another like 4-finger bubble. Twist that bad boy. Let's do another 2-finger pinch twist right here. So we're gonna put our ends like this, and we're gonna take our end and we're gonna twist that. Okay, make it easier. You want your balloon to have this kind of look to it. Okay. Now this is where we're gonna take this bad boy, our 260. We're gonna pump up our red 260. Don't need a lot of air, so 1 pump is fine, 1 or 2 pumps is okay. You're gonna make the eyes out of this. Okay, squeeze some air out of it. Your eyes, want the eyes kind of big. So let's do like a 4-finger bubble. 4-finger bubble for the eyes, okay? Gonna do a pinch twist for that. Tuck your nozzle in. Eventually you're gonna cut this nozzle off and everything, but that's when you want to clean it up, obviously. We're gonna take another 4-finger bubble if we can, right there. And the same thing, we're gonna twist it. Because we want these two to be even. Just remember, these are your eyes. So see, mine's not even. Now it does look kind of cool when it has one uneven eye and one other, but I want to make this even. So I have to kind of come back. Now, it's kind of not good to kind of go back to it again like that, but it's okay. Especially when you're learning how to build. We don't need the rest of it. Turn that off. I don't need it. Okay, there's my eyeball. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tie these ends together down here so they stay, nothing comes undone. Boom. There's my lizard eyes. So now I'm going to take these two and I'm going to put them together like this. Squeeze it in there and squeeze it down. You see that? See how it's coming together? You want this part to be looking like the chin a little bit. Squeeze it in tight to lock it in there. Okay? Now we have our eyes locked in. Now by this point your eyes should be locked in. There shouldn't be no problems. You don't need to do nothing else with that, okay? Now we're going to take this in and we're going to wrap it around, okay? So it confused me at first when I first learned how to do this because I kept wrapping it under here and I wasn't wrapping it over here. So this is the trick. You're going to wrap under the eye, okay? Like this. And then you're going to come over that little twist right there, that little pinch twist. You're going to come over it, okay? And then you're going to go right back under the eye. The trick is to make this part a little tight, okay? So it stays in place, okay? So once I get it there, I twist a little bit and I put it in place. Boom. See? Now we got our lizard head. You can also do this same kind of design for snakes as well. So don't forget that. Because sometimes one balloon design can always make 2 or 3. And that is some real stuff, you guys. I just gave y'all some game. I didn't gatekeep nothing. I just gave y'all some real deal game. So if you say you don't know how to do 3 or 4 different designs, I just told you that one design sometimes make 3 of them. Don't forget that, okay? Back to the balloon, okay? So now that I'm here, I'm going to add another pinch twist to it, okay? Because I kind of really want this balloon to stay the way stay right here. I don't want nothing to come apart. Okay? So I'm going to do another pinch twist. Now, boom. So you should have something that looks like this right now, okay? You should have a head, okay? Now, we're not done yet. Okay? We're not done yet. Now, we're going to do the legs next, okay? So this will be right here. So we'll come right here. Now, I didn't say that we're going to use a brown balloon for like the trees and stuff because that was kind of like an extra piece. But this is actually how you do just the lizard part, okay? So if, say you want to do a tree with this, like how I did in the whole design, right? And I'm going to do that for you because I'm cool like that. And I like showing you guys cool stuff, okay? So we're going to take the brown one. And by the way, this is a brown 260, okay? It's called mocha brown. You're gonna take your brown one, pump it up a little bit. We're gonna pretend this is our branch. You can make it a normal branch, just like this, so they can hold it like this, or you can do how I do, because I like to lay my stuff out on the table. I like for it to be like a display. And for us to do that, we're gonna make some like levels for it, okay? Some legs. So we're gonna make some petal twists. Fold it like that, and we're going to twist. This is what the base is going to be. Put another petal twist there. And then one more. About 3 legs. Okay? This is our bottom, see? Now we got our branch. Now we got our branch, okay? And then, what we're going to do is, we're going to take our lizard. We're going to take the leg right here. So let's say this is his leg. We're going to take the part in his leg, and we're going to take the balloon, and we're going to wrap the balloon around like this, okay? Once you wrap the balloon around, just measure it, okay? After you measure it, you want it to look like this. Twist it around, and then now you're going to make the second leg. So by this point, you should have some balloons that's like extra. You're not gonna need it. Don't worry about it. Don't freak out yet. But I want you guys to keep this little extra balloon here, okay? If you have extra balloon like this, just keep it there, because I'm gonna show you what we're gonna use it for, okay? To add a little extra like niceness to it, whatever you wanna call it. Okay, another 160. Now we're about to make the body. Gotta pump it up a few times. These balloons are very flexible, so we're not gonna need all the air in this balloon, so don't worry. Probably not gonna use all of it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this is gonna be our body. I'm gonna plug it in right here to the head. Twist it in a little bit. Okay, now that this is the body, let's make it right here. So this is about four to six. So let's say 6-finger bubble right there. Let's be real cool. We're about to make the legs, okay? So we're gonna bring it down like this. Make sure you twist. Twist right here, okay? Twist and wrap it around the same way you did this balloon, okay? I know this looks a little crooked, but you guys should have a straight version. Wrap it around like so, because this balloon is gonna sit on here, like this, like a display. Then we go back to our second leg. Wrap it around. Don't worry, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. We're gonna take our end piece. We're gonna make a small pinch twist out of it, off the butt area. Okay, and we're gonna bring it right back into the neck, so we have a fuller looking body. Get rid of the extra, get rid of that extra. You don't need that. Tie it in there. If you can tie it in a knot before you tie it in, go ahead and do that. But if you don't, just twist it in there real good. It should still stay. It should still stay. I don't recommend doing that for clients though. I recommend making it as tight as you can. Okay, that extra piece that I told you to hold on to, you're gonna bring it in here and you're gonna make a little twist. You're gonna complete the body with it, okay? This little end piece, get rid of that. You don't need that. Tie it in. See, he's coming to life. Bam. Okay, there's our lizard. He's coming there. Uh-oh. Hope you guys are ready. And then you can adjust it however you want later. Okay, let's take our last 160. We're gonna make the tail with it. Now you can make the tail any kind of way, because again, lizards' bodies move all kinds of ways, you know? So you can make this any kind of way you want. We're gonna take the tail and we're gonna add it in. Twist it in there a little bit. Now for this build, I like my lizard's tails to be long, because lizards have long tails. So whatever I usually have, I usually just tie off the end part of it like this. I usually tie off the end part, and then for this, I like to curl the tail sometimes, and I like to put it all kinds of directions. For this one, we'll curl it like this. So let's try to do this. Curl it up like this, and when you get it like this, just kind of give it some squeezes. Give it some love, you know? Give it some nice little squeezes, you know? And when you let go, it should somewhat stay like that. I'm still learning how to do other material. You can do it like glue dots and put them inside and have it stick like that, but I want it to stick like this. Because why? Because lizards' tails be all over the place. I like lizards to have funny looking tails. That's just me. Okay. Now, let's start building our thing. Take your end of your branch right here and take the end of the nozzle and put them over, and we're gonna make a pinch twist out of that, okay? This is gonna be our branch. So twist it up and lock it in there. Don't worry about the rest of that balloon hanging in there. Don't worry about that. Because what you're going to do is you're going to take the color of the leaves that you want. Mine is going to be dark green because my lizard's dark green and lizards like to, you know, be camouflaged. So I'm going to make my leaves dark green. Now, with these leaves, you can make the leaves any kind of way. Petal twist. And if you can try to make 4 out of them out of there. Okay, another petal twist. And since I got a little bit of balloon left, I'm gonna make a twist out of that. Lock it in there. I'll get rid of that later. Again, like I said, your leaves don't need to be even because trees don't have even leaves all the time. So you can make it as realistic as you want. Take these 2 pieces and you're gonna put them together. Now you have like a palm tree kind of setup. Now your lizard has a post to sit on and you have a display to put it on. Okay? So after you put these 2 together, you should have something that looks like this. It should look something like this. And adjust your lizard any way that you want, adjust them what you want, and then bend it a little bit. Bend your branch. Bending the branch kind of also helps with the weight when you set it down. Fix it up a little bit. Let's fix his head. All right, there it is. He's coming there, but what's a lizard without the tongue? Okay, you guys, I'm gonna use a 260. You can use a 160, it don't matter. 260, 160, it don't matter what you wanna use for the tongue. I'm gonna use the 260 because it gives it a little bit more description, okay? So with these, you don't even have to blow these up. I don't even know why I got the pump. So with these, you don't have to blow it up. Give it a little bit of air. Make sure you got a lot of air in there. And then squeeze some down to the bottom. Your tongue don't need to be real long anyway. So squeeze some more air down to the bottom, make it real stiff, and then tie a knot in it. Maybe halfway. Make sure you hold on to the air because that air will seep out. Tie it up. Man, get rid of the end. Good thing about 160s, they're easy to rip off. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your now blown up a little bit to 160 and you're gonna add it to the nub right here, okay? Which is looks like the mouth. And you're gonna go ahead and twist it in there, okay? Twist it in there a little bit. Blow enough air in it. And it's okay if you didn't blow enough air in it, but you should have something like this. There it is, you guys. There's your lizard balloon build. I hope you guys enjoyed the build. If you guys like this, let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to the content. You guys, thank you for humbling me and letting me be a part of this. You know, I'm going to keep making content for you, okay? Real easy content and real fun content. You guys stay tuned. Thank you for joining the 91 Twist Show. It's your boy 91 Twist, and I'm out.